my confidence kind of, went downhill because of them. And so, I wouldn't try speaking Samoan, I just gave up. So when I went to Brisbane, I felt like a part of me was missing because I wasn't, I stopped doing Siva Samoa for a while, and I kind of lost who I was, as a Samoan, as a Tamatai Samoan. Serving your community, your people, honouring your ancestors, carrying the traditions through, all those little things, helps me stay connected. It's so much more than just the title. And as Miss Samoa Queensland, it's not just a choice, it's a calling to give back to my own people. I'm able to take the knowledge that I am learning and just pass it on, because any knowledge that's, has to do with Samoa, I want to be able to pass it on.